I greet everyone. With you, GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If you are interested, you can put a stop. We suggest studying all the parameters of the organization under study more closely. Now we will compare the main fundamental indicators of the corporation PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS, ticker PRCT. This review is based on information as of June 28, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets organization PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS belongs to the subcategory Therapeutic Medical Equipment. 43 companies are taking part in the assessment. We will see the decisions on orders at the end of the video. The overall result for the company under study, minus 6.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.5 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the framework of the entire US market in general, you can see that the average result for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the minus rating, 6.5 points for the company PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS CORP and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the shares PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS CORP showed a dynamics of minus 3.2%. Against price changes in the 2% subcategory. Market capitalization of the organization PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS amounts to $3.15 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $66 billion. The company's book value is $0.39 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $9 billion. Comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Share PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS CORP in the subcategory when assessing the stock market value is 4.743%. The book value is 4.396%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The organization under study has debt obligations of $0.081 billion. Debt to book capitalization accounts for 21% of capital. Result on the company's financial obligations, good, 1 point. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 425.2. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $90 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 12.6. The average in the subcategory is 5.6. Evaluation of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $250 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 36.2%, with an average of 1.3% in the subcategory. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 2.338%, which is 103% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $4,165,000, while for the subcategory it is $2,053,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $119,200. Average in the subcategory, $4,800. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, Toilet, minus 0.5 points. The volume of sales per individual employee of the organization is $329,000. Subcategory, $369,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Toilet, minus 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 12.8%, compared to the subcategory average of 4.9%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 43% for the company PROCEPT BIOROBOTIcs CORP. For the subcategory, this level is 53%. The company's actual stock valuation is around $56.92. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $78.34. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made in a given season by the information and reference system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of securities PROCEPT BIOROBOTICS Information and Reference System GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a sell trade at $56.91. The order is open because the company has a rather low valuation. The company's valuation was made using the Akeem's index valuation method. Take profit is set at 37.24. Stop loss is set at 76.58. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the deal is fixed independently based on the results of the session on July 28, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker INSP is the main purchase transaction. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.